Hello people, welcome. Come, let's cook this yam beans porridge together. So I'll add in 2 cups of beans, the black eyed pea. I'll cover and cook it for 15 minutes so I can sieve it. Guys, if you're eating beans and it's paining your chest, make sure you cook it 15 minutes and sieve it and wash it and re-put it back. So that's what I did. I will put it back. I'll add in onion, salt, and I'll cover and cook it for another 40 to 45 minutes. So here it is. I added my yam, onion, rosemary, tomato. I added in crayfish, seasoning, salt, onion powder, paprika powder, chili pepper, thyme, curry, turmeric, and I will add in oil, guys. So I will add in some of my meat that I have in the freezer. I think that one is turkey and chicken. I will cover it and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. So I added in the remaining of my crayfish, onion. I'm adding in the leaves. All my returnees, thank you for always returning, my old and my new. I really do appreciate. I see the like, the comment, the share. May the good Lord bless. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and be a member of the family. Follow us for more amazing videos. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. Health videos, cooking recipe, family lifestyle, baking videos. I have all of them in my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the name. So once I mixed it properly, I'll just cover it and steam it on 1 minute. So our yam beans porridge is ready. Enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye.